and I'm gonna show you the result about this div. You've made it. See it? This is the first div we've made it, and this is the second. This is the last. I have a rounded and a gradient. Look, as you can see, this is from purple to pink. It's a gradient. Buttons. Tailwind makes the button designs super flexible. We'll create a few button styles using different background color, hover effect, and rounded corners. We're gonna make a 4 button. We're gonna delete all of this to make a new. Look, the first one is a basic button. We're gonna make a simple button in the HTML primary. We're gonna type primary on it and type classes. Under the classes, we're gonna make it background color gray 300 and text like 800 and pixel 4. And I'm gonna explain what is it padding. This is padding. I'm gonna explain it, but let me enter it. And around it that we explain it. Simple button in the Tailwind CSS with HTML. So I'm gonna explain to you what the mean is. The px mean padding left and a padding right. One ream horizontal padding, it means 16 pixel, because this is in a ream, working with a ream. Or it's a 1 ream. A 2 is a half ream and horizontal, because the px from left to right. Py means padding tab and a padding bottom. It's a half ream, vertical padding. So the button or element gets internal spacing button in both direction. I'm gonna explain the second button we've made it. It's secondary button. We're gonna make it simple, like background color blue 600. And then next we're gonna type text white, px it's 4, and py and the padding it's 2, and the rounded. So let's see the result about it. Look, it's secondary, it's like this, and this is the first, and this is a second. And I'm gonna make another button, make it more complex. And this is a gradient button. I'm gonna type gradient. Okay, gradient. Okay, in the class, I'm gonna type a gradient background. Gradient to or left. Okay, left is good. From slash green 500, and the text is white, and the px is 4, and the py it's 2, and it's rounded. Look, this is a gradient button in Tailwind CSS. Look, we've made a 3, and the last one is a hover effect. One of the most button, I love it. Button, another danger, background red 500, and the hover. It's look like a CSS, but it's more simple and more readable. Background red like 700, and the text is white. The padding 4, and the padding bottom to top is 2, and it's rounded because I love a radius on it. Look, see how it's easy to create a totally different bottom styles. You just mix and match background color, text color, padding, border radius, and maybe add a hover effect. You don't need to memorize every color code. Just use the name, background color shade, and text color shade, hover background in everyone I think you want it. Tailwind docs have a color preview for every option, which is super helpful. Alright, in the next lesson we'll dive into layout tools like Flexbox and Array. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment which button styles you like most.